Hi, สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. I'm coming to see the castle. Passing to the road. I saw the castle over the hill there. It's over there. Over there. I seen a little bit of it. เห็นแววๆเห็นลิบๆเป็นปราสาทล้างจะขึ้นไปดูค่ะ Now saw the sign here. ไปดูป้ายกันค่ะเห็นป้ายอยู่ตรงนี้ Go have a look at this sign. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Dunnideer hillfort and castle on hill Dunnideer. Many faith or fortified settlements can be seen ranging in the date from the Iron Age through the medieval period. The most obvious remain of the 13th century castle now ruined with crown the summit of the hill. The castle built around 1260 AD is among the earliest surviving townhouse in Scotland. Wow, very interesting. According to the local tradition, the castle said to have been built at this site around 890 AD by the Gregory. The Greek author have suggested the castle was built here in 1178 AD by David L. Huntington and Garliot. However, the first written reference to the castle of Dunnideer is in the document dated 1260 AD. In it, Sir Jocelyn the burial road of Dunnideer grants access to his land to the Abbey of Lindores with the condition that the abbot should pay to Sir Jocelyn and his high a pair of white kid gloves every week Sunday at his castle of Dunnideer. The unusual payments. So here, that's what I seen there. So the fort be around there like that. So I have to walk from here to there. So this is the castle we're talking about. Castle there. There's a fort around it. เคยเป็นป้อมปราการเก่าค่ะlike that here. But we came in the main road over there. We parked the car there. So we need to walk up that way. Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ We are going up to this hill to go see the castle. The hill is quite steep hill. It's somebody says about 260 meters above the sea level or about 500 meters from the car park. Climb to the castle. Taking you guys up here to see the Dunnideer Castle. It was built around 1260 AD. It was the oldest townhouse to exist in Scotland. It was built on top of abandoned hill fort, and they used a stone from the hill fort to build the castle. And the hill fort was dating back to 250 BC. Oh wow, need a rest here, my friend. Do not climb on the wall. You need to see what it looks like. It's raining, rain coming. Hi. Hi. Thank you for watching. More to climb up. Wow. At this point, I'm exhausted already. ปราสาทดันโนเดียสร้างเมื่อศตวรรษที่ 1260 สร้างจากป้อมปราการรื้อมาจากหินเก่าในศตวรรษที่ 260 BC ค่ะ Nobody know the latest history after when it's abandoned, but they suggest that could be the first Scottish townhouse to build here. The castle rectangular townhouse suggests about 15 meter by 12.5 meter with the walls about 1.9 thick. So let's go and see close to see what it's like. And it was interesting how they build, how they fill the stone together in the old day. No, we don't have cement to put in between and make the stone fuse together. How it stick together, you know what I mean? quite intrigued about that, and either they fuse it by the heat. Here we are, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I was reading from different website. It does say they have first floor, second floor, but have no storage or wall. But they don't think that the castle would stood by itself. It would have bakehouse, brewhouse, stonehouse, workshops, and stable. Possibly had a chapel somewhere to pray. Every house must have. But the track of evidence might have been gone by now. It's so old, over 1,000 years. Let's go have a look around the seat here. It's nice to come here for walk too, for the local. The site is protected by the law. It's offended to damage in any way. No metal detector here. It's very high from here. You can see everybody coming and going. So it's the advantage to being on top of the hill, isn't it? But the problem is the weather beaten down on this castle. I mean, the wind, the rain, everything. There's some justice, few remain there. Here I always want to know how they stick stone together, or they fuse it with the heat or something. It's quite a long time ago, Had no technology to harden stone, harden the soil or make it stick together. Just wondering. And looking around, and I enjoy it, It's very mind-blowing how they build this own castle in the old day. And here's a drone footage, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.
Time flies by and I see beyond the disguise. Look into the sun.
I would like to thank everybody for watching. I really appreciate your time spending here and hope you guys having a lovely day and welcome to newcomer. Thank you very much for your support and your love, your relationship, your friendship. Thank you all and ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมและยังเป็นเพื่อนกันอยู่นี่คือปราสาทDunnideer Castle and today is long day today. I'm in Aberdeen, the city of Aberdeen. So let's say goodbye and thank you again. Bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ